Alrighty, so here we go. I just got my new push rod in there, which is the center of these three, which it's very dark in there. But that's my fuel injector push rod, so that's back in. Put my rocker assemblies back on, put my Jake assembly on. Set my timing, which is set by the length of that push rod. So I change that. I think we're gonna head over, do a first fire on it, see how she sounds. Oh. Quick jump from there, front of the cab. This little fun job to jump up. So there we go. I'd say she's running pretty good. I gotta put the valve cover back on. I got the new flag on. That'll be good. Once I finish that, check the front diff fluid, grab some snacks out of the house, head to the fuel station, then we're hitting the road.